Hey folks, I got peel fingernails now. I'm gonna open the Topps 2020 baseball update series. There's Bright right there. I get a good angle of this thing, but sometimes you'll see. Here's the side of it. Look at the coins. Other view of it. So I'm gonna try to open this and then. I opened one yesterday, 2016. I had a hard time. Give me a second. Try to open this for you folks. So let me know what you guys think. Trying to open this thing, but it's like a monster. God. I got no nails. Okay. So I got it open. I really don't like the tripod. How it's set up. I'm trying to get it set better. Here it is. Trying to open it. I'm not used to playing this way. It's my first time doing this kind of style. Okay, what do we got here? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I don't see, oh yeah, the update series. I don't see no opponents back. So it has 14 cards in one package. The back part of it. Let's see what's inside. First I'm in the hospital, so there's a kind of limit where I can do things. Ooh, Chapman. I got to buy his rookie cards. MPX. Derek Holden. Anthony Rizzo. All-Star. Ooh. Thing just kind of tipped on me. Tim Liskin. Great. A good one right here. I gotta wear my glasses next time. Great series. Ah. Not used to this way at all. Ah. Why do you want to fight with me? There we go. Oh, the good pitcher. Bench. That's a pretty good pitcher. Any pitcher, a Hall of Famer, and that's cool. Rookie card. Iron. Got a little damage on the corner right there. Okay, the first pack. It's in the second pack. There we go. Can't wait. Oh, he's with the All-Star, but he's with the Dodgers now. Too bad the Dodgers didn't take him. Okay. Nickel. You got Brian. Well, the cards were pulling in. Oh, got chrome. Like a chrome. Oh, shiny and pretty. Can't really see it. It's really. Oh, Derek Jeter. That's really cool. Hall of Famer. This guy's good. Great at cheating. Cold. It was with the Mets. Pirates. Go. And Sandy. And last one for this pack. Next one. All-Star. There you go. Eric Judge, a good one. All-Star. Cal Ripken Jr. Guy had too many, like millions of different kind of betting stands. Todd Leader. Like a little star. Like a run or derby or something. Trying to get that one. Oh, we got a draft pick coming up. We got a draft pick. That's really cool. Jackson. 1988 kind of style. Arizona Diamondbacks. Got Brooke and Robinson. I have these playable. Alright. Get rid of garbage. So I got 3, was it 4 more packs to go. Albert Pujols, he's with the Dodgers now. Got released from the Angels. I don't know this guy. What are the Giants or Red fan? Houston, we have a liftoff. Andrews. Albert Pujols again. Looks like his whole star. He's with the Dodgers, hopefully Hall of Famer. Actually, I think he retired in his rookie year. Johnson Davis. Oh, cool, Hall of Famer. Oh, our Norm Ryan card. Got a bunch of cards from Amazon. Kevin. Try. Andrews. Silvers. Two more packs. I didn't find the coin yet. Oh. Found the bonus. Oops. Like I don't check. I got the bonus thing right here. Oh, 100 France. Woo! My favorite Giants. The Rangers. Yeah, and the next year played the got released last year. My favorite Giants. I always get like the outfield field. There it is. Done again. Oh, I have a bunch of this card. Cool. All-Star. Oh, decade's best. Steve Clonton. That's kind of cool. Murray. Not Hall of Famer. But should be. There we go. Of course, All-Star Mark Wire. Let me see here. That's a good card. I like this one. Good style. I like these kind of cards. Bat Anderson. Damn, Sean Murray. Oh, that's a great picture. I like that one. Got the wind. Kind of hot for August. Really hot. Porto Strobe. Bradner. Oh, we got a pick. First, Dan Carlson, Cardinals, number 1 draft pick. 1988 style, I think. That's really cool. Well, Ken Griffey Jr. with the red, Angels. I mean the Reds. Down. Alex Wood. He's with the Giants now. He was Reds, Giants, Dodgers. Oh, cool! Look at this, Kristen Star. Awesome, awesome. And you got one more pack. Got one more pack to go. This is my new way of doing this style today. Donner. Joe Votto. There's a funny video of him getting evicted at a game, and then there's some player with a big fan of his, and she cried because he only lasts like barely an inning. And then I said, "Hey, I'm sorry, but I promise I'll come back." Next game. David Ortiz, Big Papa. Dave Miller. Got a bunch of Phillies. Right. Ty. Billy Miller. Well, that's kind of cool. Cheater card. Cheater card. This guy big got in trouble. Go. And last one. And the mystery pack. Oh my goodness! Link off. Wow. Congratulations. I don't have a number of these things, but that's really cool. Even I'm a Giants fan, but still, he's really an interesting character. Does that charity work. That's really cool. That's really cool. Claim. Oh, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Hope I get better doing this in the future. Let me know what you think. All right. Thanks for watching. We try different things with the channel. Thanks for bye.